AI tools can generate code. That part is easy. The difficult part is knowing what to ask, what to verify, and what not to trust. Being cracked is not typing faster. The model already types faster than you, and it has never once needed coffee, sunlight, or a salary. Your advantage is knowing what to build, how it should work, and when the AI is confidently manufacturing nonsense. So first, learn the boring fundamentals: data structures, databases, networking, operating systems, and system design. Not because you need to write everything by hand, but because someone in the room needs to know when the robot has invented a new branch of computer science. Second, stop prompting and start specifying. A weak developer says, build authentication. A cracked developer defines the user's permissions, failure cases, data model, and tests. The quality of the output is usually capped by the quality of the context. Third, build in tiny verified loops. Ask for one change, run the test, read the diff, break it on purpose, then continue. Giving an agent a 2-hour task with no checkpoints is not autonomy. It is leaving a junior developer alone with production access and positive affirmations. Fourth, make the AI show its work. Ask for assumptions. Ask what would make the solution fail. Ask it to write the test before the fix. If the model says this should work, congratulations, you have received absolutely no information. Fifth, build an evaluation suite. Save real examples, edge cases, and previous failures. Then run them every time you change the prompt, model, or tool. Vibes are not a benchmark. It looked smarter today is not an engineering metric. Sixth, instrument everything. Log the prompt, tools, latency, token cost, output, and final result. AI bugs are annoying because the same input can produce a different disaster wearing a nicer shirt. And please, do not build one giant agent with access to your database, email, terminal, credit card, and probably the key to your apartment. Use small tools with narrow permissions and obvious boundaries. Agents are much less terrifying when each one can only ruin a very specific part of your day. Finally, ship real projects, not 12 chatbot wrappers. Build something with users, bad inputs, migrations, rate limits, and a database that eventually betrays you at 2 a.m. That pain is called experience, and unfortunately, there's still no API for it. The cracked AI developer is not the person who writes the most code with AI. It is the person who turns AI into reliable leverage. Clear specs, fast loops, hard tests, narrow tools, and enough judgment to know when to say, no, that is stupid. Use the model as an accelerator, not an oracle. Do that, and you will not just code faster, you will build things that actually survive contact with reality.